Hey, Dean here from the Workshop Whisperer. 10 interest rate rises in the last, 10 months. Crazy. On top of COVID and all the challenges that came with that means it's been a pretty challenging time to be in business. I'm sure you would agree. So if the slowdown in the economy is currently impacting your business, and you need a little bit of help with budgeting, managing cash flow, staying on top of your debts, then I would highly encourage you to come along to a special event we're running this Thursday at the 25th of May at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. How to get ahead in a slowing economy. We're going to be bringing onto that webinar Paul Ray, who's a profit strategist and financial expert, really walk you through specific tactics and methods that you can use in your auto repair shop right now to stay ahead of a slowing economy. The situation that you and all of your customers find yourself in right now. Of course, he's going to run through some great content for you, but also you'll have an opportunity to ask Paul some questions for you. So Workshop Whisperer is hosting that, but we've invited Paul along as our guest, but as an opportunity for you in this industry to really get the advice, the guidance, and the help that you need to get ahead and stay ahead in the current economic conditions. To jump on the webinar, all you need to do is click on the link to register, which you'll find below here, and it's probably going to be the best 45 minutes you could dedicate out of your week this week to getting on that webinar, how to stay ahead in a slowing economy. Click the link, register. We'll see you this Thursday, 25th of May, 12:30 Sydney time. We'll see you then.